It is well put, well packed and boiled. That may all that may all. Let me tell you this. You don't have to do this to get that education. You don't have to do this to get that education. These jobs. There you go. It's all about the education. Some people you have to go to college to get the education. Oh, let me look at it real quick. Oh yeah, we're improving. We're getting a lot better, family. Dropping dimes, picking up hundreds. Look at that. It's looking good. It's looking good. Keep going what you're doing. It's looking good. Got to check in with y'all, family. You feeling it? It's like a signature. You know what I mean? I tell you, it's like a handwriting. Once you feel it, everybody got their own handwriting. You feeling it? Because now you laying it in, you keeping it smooth. And see, this is what we're looking for. You see how that's all smooth together? That's what you want to be all tied in. That's what you want. You know what I'm saying? And so even when you're welding and you're getting everything, you want to always make sure it's tied in. Anytime you got something like this at the bottom, that means it was either too cold or you went too fast and you didn't let it tie in good. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is what you're looking for. That's perfect. That's it. That's it. So yeah, keep doing what you're doing, man. Practice make perfect. Well, working in the flat position. Arkansas in the building. We are in McGee, Arkansas. Live. Even though we battle on that football field, we in here getting it in. We finna get this bag. Got to give a big shout out to my homeboy Octavius Stowball, man. Free Stowball, man. Shout out to my guy, man. Hope you come home soon, G.
Get you home soon. Sure, be.
Yeah, my guy Stowball is a good one from Dumas, Arkansas, man. Good friend of mine, man. My mom even know him, man. Great guy. Locked up right now. I believe he's in California, federal prison. Hopefully he gets back to Arkansas soon, coming home soon. Add love, plenty much love, homie. We in here getting it in, man. Teaching welding class Friday. Everything good?
Yeah, I want you to do good for like these correction on this one.
I know that. You did good here. It's just what, you know, this is what you need to do. Where you went wrong here, you fixed it here. So the main thing too that I saying too, you doing like longer circles. And you doing short. Yeah, make them tighter.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna do, let me grab my hood. I'm gonna do one. Yeah, we just gonna make it tighter.
Okay.
Because after, honestly, like I said, you do a few more plays like this, a few more sections like this, and we'll be able to go to another position because you almost got it down. The main thing is we just want to have a full plate, like a perfect full plate tied in. You see your pliers. So man, you're doing damn good, man. I'm proud of you. You tied it really great. Look.
You did this so smooth, foot boy.
They say you did this so smooth, but then you gonna get it like this, and you just jumped in there and knocked it out like you went. But see, hey, that's how, and listen, I do that for here in a minute. You gonna be doing it too. You like, oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah,
but see, the main thing is practice and confidence. So you gotta have confidence knowing you can get it. 'Cause look where you started, bro. You might as well say you was like this, man. Come on now.
I'm like that man, wasn't it?
No, I wasn't that man. Losing that ball. But you doing good though. Keep rocking, man.
Already. So I'm making the motherfucker too wide. That's what I'm doing.
Woo! That's it. That's it. But you see what you, but can you tell, look at this wheel, and then look at that one.
Motherfucker kind of wide.
Exactly. You see what I'm saying? You need to narrow. If you go in big circles, you need to go in. Because look, when I showed my wife, it's crazy because my wife, I showed her, she was like, oh, he got it. He just need to just sort of make them attack. See, some bigger whales is due for thicker material. You know what I mean? You might need a big whale. But on the average, you need a 3/16 whale. It's normally a 3/16 whale is normally what is required. 3/16 to a quarter. That's like a standard whale. And at St. Holland, all they whales is required is 3/16. You see what I'm saying? So to get certified out there, this is what they put, all 3/16 whale. A nice solid 3/16 whale. You know what I mean? And you're gonna do it in a joint like this, you know what I'm saying, in different positions. And really 3 positions that they use pretty much flat, overhead, and vertical down. You know what I mean? But overhead ain't really overhead, it's just over, which I'm gonna show you. It's just kind of in a high position, but it ain't really like completely like this. You know what I'm saying? Nah, it ain't like, yeah, it's just like this. Yeah, exactly. The way they do over here, it ain't like it's over, it's just in front of you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is what you want. Let me grab my dead real quick. Hold on.
So most times they tell you what size like they want.
Yeah, actually, every job I have been on shows different requirements.
Right.
So I have been on some where they want everything. They wanted 5/16 whales, which might make you make 3 passes. You might have to do 1 filler pass, 1 at the bottom, then 1 at the top. Might have to run 3 passes to get that bead, a big bead all the way around that cylinder. You know what I mean? Then some might slow down and put a big fat bead, a 5/16 bead or a 1/4 inch bead. You know, just slowing down a little bit. Like this here will be required in some, you know what I'm saying, in some fields. Like I say, okay, you want to slow down and make a bigger wheel. Then on some, it's okay, right, you can do a nice 3/16 1/4 inch wheel, and it's tensile strength. You know, but most wire, I think wires run around 60,000 pounds per square inch, but you can get 70,000 pound wire, and that's a lot, bro. You 70,000 pounds per square inch, so it can hold a lot. So as long as you weld it right, it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. You know what I mean? But this is right though. It's blended in, it's tied in, and you can see the puddles, you can see the bead, and that's everything. And you know what I'm saying? And it's not so white, but you can see the difference now on what you was doing.
Right.
From doing this to this, you're like, oh man, I see it now. Exactly. And another good thing too, when you get done, you know, every time you stop, if you need to, hit it a little bit to make sure you can see everything. But that's what you want, man. The goal is we want to keep practicing this. We'll probably spend the day doing this position, getting that in tight. Once you get it in tight, or at least a little bit more, at least another hour, to see how it looks going in tight, and then we're gonna go to the horizontal, which is gonna be stand up like this, and you're gonna be running this way, doing the exact same thing. Visit the website, www.HogOnWelding.com. That's www.HogOnWelding.com. Check out all the social media platforms. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn. Hold on.